Okay, so last year I did this wall. The client found the mantle. It was too large for this space. I will be doing a mantle to match it and placing it there. But I looked at this and I realized you could put a TV in there. So I said, let's turn that into an entertainment console. And then, he wanted to do all the shelving around this. So that's what I did. I made the box that it sits on, did the columns on the side, all the floating shelving. This detail here was done on a table saw and by hand, and that matches this exactly. I duplicated the pyramids on here. The finish was done by the homeowner. He's going to tone down the original piece to match better. It's a lot of work making all these parts. There was just a change made, so it's added kind of a week of time to what I'm working on now. I am working on building 2 corner units for the back wall there to flank the window. I'm going to show you that in the shop right now. Okay, so rough sketch of what I'm doing here. These are parts, dimensions. So this side of the left cabinet is right here. And I'm just kind of working this out right now. How tall do I want to make this? This is my story pole for the shelving. There's gonna be a 14-inch tall shelf at the bottom, a 12-inch, 11, 10 and 5/8, and 10 and a half at the top. These are all going to be 1 3/4 inches tall, the shelves. What I have over here, these are like 1 1/4 inches. These are the shelves, but these parts here are going to get glued on to thicken up the fronts. And it's all solid wood. They'll get cut to the right length. There's going to be a mortise on the side. These are the cleats that'll support the shelves. This is the part here that I've got to make this out of. This is left over from what you were just looking at next door. I got to duplicate that. So there's still a ton of work to do here. And like I said, there was a change made, which is adding a week of time to this. So I got to get it done, though. And I just thought you guys might get a kick out of seeing the details of that and, the type of work that I end up doing a lot of the time. So have a good day. Be good to one another. And you guys will see, the next time you see any of this will be when it's up. You'll see it when I install it, and then you'll see it another time. It usually takes him a while to get to the finish, so it could be months from now before it has the color on it and the books on it and everything. But when that happens, I'll show it to you.